Hi students, my name is Videsh Narashet. I am from Manara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 10th standard, that is coordinate geometry. So in coordinate geometry we already discussed about distance formula. Also we derived the section formula. So let us take some of the examples based on section formula. The first problem tells us that find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment. So here we have to take the coordinates of a point. That means here we have to take the standard form of a point is p of x comma y. We can take which divides the line segment joining points 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3:1. So already we discussed in the section formula. That means the lines divides, a point divides a line segment into ratios. That means it's not a same. That means it's not equidistant, but it splits or here it divides into the ratio 3:1 internally. So we have to find out the point. So how can we find out that point? So let us take p of xy be the point divides the line segment into 3:1. Then we have to take the section formula and then we have to find out the coordinates of that point. So let us take p of xy be the point which divides the line segment. So consider p of x comma y be the point which divides the line segment, in the ratio 3:1 here. So after that we have to take the section formula. That means we have to find out x comma y. That is here what is the value of m1 here? m1 is equal to 3, m2 is equal to 1. m1 is equal to 3 and m2 is equal to 1 here. So then x1 comma y1 is equal to here x1 comma y1 is equal to 4 comma minus 3 and x2 comma y2 is equal to 8 comma 5. So the line segment is joining these 2 points here. So let us take the section formula, that is x comma y. So from section formula that is x comma y is equal to, so what is the section formula here? That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So let us insert all the values of m1, m2, x1, y1, x2, y2 here. So is equal to, so m1 is equal to 3 into x2, it is 5, it is 8, 3 into 8 plus m2 is 1 into x1, 4, 1 into 4. So careful about that. When you neglect any values, when you confuse about any values, the whole problem will be wrong. So here m1 into x2 and m2 into x1. So here 1 into 4 divided by 8 plus 4, or here 3 plus 1. So it is m1 plus m2. That means 3 plus 1 here. That is here m1 y2. That means m1 is 3 into y2 it is 5 plus m2 into y1, 1 into y1 it is minus 3, 1 into minus 3, then divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. Yes. So here after that we have to simplify, that is x comma y it is. Then I will take here x comma y is equal to here 8 into 3 24 plus 1 into 4 4 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 1 4, comma, then 3 into 5 15, then plus 1 into minus 3, that means minus 3, minus into plus minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1 4 is equal to x comma y is equal to here 24 plus 4 28 divided by 4, then 15 minus 3 12 divided by 4, that is x comma y is equal to 7 comma 3. So 7 comma 3 is the required point that divides the line segment joining these 2 points. That is 7 comma 3 is the required point which divides the line segment in the ratio 3:1. So here we found out the required coordinate with the help of section formula. So there are many problems are there based on the similar problems. So here we can change our coordinates. So let us take the next problem. Yes. So let us take the second problem. The second problem tells us that in what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the points A of minus 6, 10, B of 3, minus 8. That means here in this problem the coordinates also given, that point also given. But here we have to find out the value of M1 and value of M2, also the ratio. So we have to find out the ratio of M1 and M2. So here the coordinate is already given here. So let us consider P of xy. P of xy is equal to P of minus 4, 6 divides the line segment AB. Divides the line segment and AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. So we have to find out the value of M1 and M2 here. So what are the given terms here? A of x1, y1 is equal to A of minus 6, 10 and B of x2, y2 is equal to B of 3, minus 8. So from the section formula we can easily find out the value of M1 and M2. Yes. So what is the section formula here? X, y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Then M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Then we have to substitute all the values here. X, y is equal to minus 4, 6. Then here M1 into x2, M1 into x2, it is 3. It is M1 into 3 plus M2 into x1, it is minus 6. M2 into minus 6 divided by M1 plus M2 remains as it is. We don't know the value. Then here M1 into y2, that is M1 into y2, it is minus 8 plus M2 into y1 it is 10, M2 into 10 divided by M1 plus M2. Yes. So let us simplify. Minus 4, 6 is equal to 3M1 minus 6M2 divided by M1 plus M2. So M1 into 3, 3M1 minus 6M2, my plus of minus then minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So here just observe. So here there are two coordinates are there. Here also two coordinates are there. Here it is x coordinate. Here it is also x coordinate. Here it is a y coordinate. Here it is a y coordinate. So let us equate those two. So here minus 4 is equal to this term and 6 is equal to this term. We can take like that. So let us take that one. So I will part this blackboard here in two parts. So firstly I will take the x coordinate, that is minus 4 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2, 3m1 minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So here I will transpose this m1 plus m2 into this side. So it becomes minus 4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Then, so we can simplify. That is, I will multiply 4 to m1 minus 4m1 minus 4 plus m2 minus 4 m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. So then I will transpose. So here m1 in this side, m2 in this side. So how can we take that one? Minus 4 m1. I will transpose this 3m1 to the LHS side, becomes minus 3m1 is equal to, here minus 6m2 is there. I will transpose minus 4m2 to the RHS side. That is 4m2 minus 6m2 here. Then here what happens? Minus 7m1 is equal to minus 2m2. Here it is also negative sign is there. Here it is also negative sign is there. So that's why after transposing those two vanishes. That's why we can take it as 7m1 is equal to, here after transposition means here it comes here. So here it is. So that's why we can take it as 2m2 is equal to 7m1. So then I will take that as m1 by m2 or m2 by m1. So whatever it may be, you can take. So here I will take m1 by m2. So I will transpose this m2 to the RHS side, 7 to the LHS side. It becomes 2 by 7 is equal to m1 by m2. That's why m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. We got m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Let us check whether it is same appears in this case also. So take 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. That is 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. So transpose this m1 plus m2 to the LHS side. 6 into m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2. Then take the similar steps. Here 6m1 plus 6m2 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m. Yes. Here I will transpose m1 to the one side and m2 to the another side. So here I will remain 6m1. I will transpose minus 8m1 to this side. It becomes plus 8m1 is equal. So I will transpose 6m2 to the RHS side. It becomes 10m2 minus 6m2 is equal. Here 8 plus 6 is 14m1 is equal to, here we have 4m2. Divide both sides by 2. We have 7m1 is equal to 2m2. So we want m1 by m2, transpose m2 here, 7 here. m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. This means it's a 2 is to 7. So here we have, in both cases we have the same answer. That's why this point, the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the points A of minus 6, 10, B of 3, minus 8 internally in the ratio 2:7 here. So we found the answer from the section formula. So it is very easy to find out what is the ratio of the line segment which divides a point. Yes. So let us take the next problem. The third problem tells us that find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the points. Here trisection means, so when we take the line like this, so here the point A and here the point is B. So the line is trisected, that means which divides into three equal parts. So here I will take this as P, here it as Q. So here AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So here all the distances are same, that means trisection. So the line segment is split into three parts from the 2 points here. So here we have to find out those coordinates. So here what is the given thing here? A of 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2 and B of minus 7, 4, 4. Here we have to find out the coordinates. That is, I will take this as equation x, y, here as u, v. So let us consider P of x, y and Q of u, v divides the line AB into three equal parts. That is, consider P of x, y and Q of u, v divides AB into three equal parts. Yes. So then we have to find out the value of x, y and u, v from the section formula. So from the section formula only we can calculate the coordinates. That is, from section formula. So write section formula here. So that is, for example, I will take x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So from this formula we have to find out the value of x, y and u, v. So I will part this blackboard here. Firstly I will consider P of x, y. So just consider here, just observe. So these 3 points, these 3 distances are one and the same. So here when we are considering this as 1, this as 1 and this as 1. Consider that one. So I will take this as 1, this as 1 and this as 1. So that means here it is a 3 equal parts. So just consider P divides. Firstly I will consider P. P divides AB into the ratio 1:2. Don't consider Q here. So here just observe 1 plus 1 is 2. That means here this distance is 2. Here this distance is 1. That means this P divides AB into 2:1, 1:2. So let us take that one. P divides AB into the ratio 1:2. So let us consider the m1 as 1, m2 as 2 and find out the value of x, y. So that is x, y is equal to, so here what is the m1? 1 into x2, x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 is minus 7 plus m2 is 2 into x1. x1 is here 2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Then comma. So the second coordinate. Yes, here m2 m1 y2, that is 1 into here y2 means x1 y1 x2 y2, it is 4. plus m2 y1. So m2 it is 2 into x1 y1, that is minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. So is equal to, let us simplify that one. Here it is minus 7, here it is plus 4 divided by 3, and 1 into 4, 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3 is equal to minus 7 plus 4, it is minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 comma 0, that is, here it is minus 1 comma 0 is the x comma y. We have the value of x comma y. So simultaneously we have to find out the value of u comma v, that is u comma v is equal to, so I just observe q, let us take q divides q here. So when we consider q, so this complete it's a one distance, here it is a one distance. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. It is q divides AB in ratio 2:1 here. So let us consider UV is equal to M1 X2. Same. Here M1 is 2, M2 is 1. So here M1 2 into X2. X2 is X1 Y1, X2 Y2 minus 7. Minus 7 plus M2 X1. M2 is 1 into X1 here 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Here I will do this part and then comma. So here this part M1 Y2 2 into Y2 is here, just observe X1 Y1 X2 Y2, that is 4. 2 into 4 plus then M2 Y1, that is 1 into Y1 it is, that is X1 Y1 X2 Y2, that is Y1 is minus 2, it is minus 2 divided by M1 plus M2, it is 2 plus 1. So let us simplify that one. Here 2 into minus 7, it is minus 40 plus 2 divided by 3, then 2 into 4 8 minus 1 into minus 2, that means minus 2 plus into minus, minus 8 minus 2 by 3 is equal to here minus 12 by 3, minus 12 by 3. So that is minus 14 plus 2 is equal to minus 12. Then here 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3. So then u comma v is equal to minus 4 comma 2. So we got the coordinates here x comma y, here u comma v from this section formula. Here the fact is we have to consider. So one of the point, so here it splits, so it divides the line into 1:2, and here it the line point divides the line into 2:1. So when you analyze this case, so from the section formula you can find out the answers. So I hope you enjoyed this part. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notifications message easily. So thank you one and all, be safe and stay home. Thank you.